Hi guys, it's Rob Lester here from Lester Bathrooms. Thank you for taking the time to check out our channel where we're all about bathrooms. If you can give us a subscribe and like and press the notification bell, bing bong, lovely. Really quick instructional video today on how to adhesive a larger tile. This is a 600 by 300 tile, so we're going to show you how to adhesive one of these today. Let's go. Right guys, let's go ahead and get our tile. On this occasion I'm using a 5mm notch trowel and I've got my adhesive here. We're going to grab a lump out, probably about that size, drop it on here, and we start from the edge of this reservoir of adhesive, pull up again, and then I tend to push that back down to here, grab a little bit more. And then just smooth out any excesses like that. I tend to run my finger on the edge to make sure we haven't got lots of overspill. So there we go, fairly straightforward. Let's do another one. Right, let's take a look at that again. Got our tile in our hand. We're getting a reservoir of adhesive. We're pouring that across, plugging that there. It across and then taking off any little bits of excess. So I tend to break the tile down into 3 segments: the first drawer, second drawer and the third drawer. Okay, right, let's take a look at that one more time. Hope this video has been useful for you guys for your next project. So we've got plenty more how-to and bathroom makeovers on the channel, so check those out and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.